When Hurricane Helene tore through western North Carolina, it left a path of destruction, flooded roads, debris-choked waterways, and communities struggling to recover. But in the face of disaster, the Army stood ready. Through the U.S. Army Corps of Engineers, soldiers and civilians worked side by side with local, state, and federal partners to bring stability and strength back to these communities.
When I came out here in October, the destruction was just devastating. Homes were gone, businesses were ruined, and it was a sense of people in the local community were just trying to help each other, and they were just trying to survive. Now we're coming up on the 6-month anniversary of the hurricane. I would tell you the progress is amazing. You see communities are starting to come back to life. Roads are open, the businesses are open. The communities are starting to get into ways where they're able to get the supplies that they need to help themselves and rebuild. Everybody's coming together, they're all working together, and this community is really starting to come back to life.
That transformation didn't happen alone. Recovery isn't a solo mission. It takes teamwork at every level. The Army Corps of Engineers worked hand in hand with FEMA, state emergency agencies, and local governments to bring resources, expertise, and manpower where it was needed most.
Region-wide, we're talking about massive amounts of debris. We're talking about houses, shipping containers, cars, just massive debris. We are not set up to remove that type of debris. That's not something that we can take a volunteer out and remove a shipping container wrapped around a bridge column. So it felt really great when Corps of Engineers got on site and started to scale up their operations.
For the Army, recovery isn't just about rebuilding infrastructure. It's about recognizing the people who make it happen.
In a mission like this, partnerships are huge because, again, the U.S. Army Corps of Engineers through the United States Army, we depend on partnerships and contracting, to do everything. Unlike other disasters that we're, currently dealing with, most of the partnerships and the contracts we're able to get through are from the local area. So, the local area was devastated and destroyed, but we're able to put some of this money back into the community and help people get back on their feet with our local contractors, our partners.
The Army's strength isn't just in its capability. It's in its commitment. Through service, partnership, and leadership, USACE and its partners have helped Western North Carolina turn crisis into comeback.